piece with this, but seriously, get it. Okay, how I did this is I just colored in, and then I just put some water in, and then put some soap, and then put some toilet paper in, and it should make the perfect art. Then once you're done, you let dry. Not in any place else. In a toilet roll. I think that's where. A little more water. You fill it up. That should be enough. Wow! And once it dries, the bowl should make it look. This will make it look good. I gotta. Once it dries, once the water dries, let set for overnight, and then the water dry and the toilet paper will dry, and the box will make it pretty. And see this? I'm gonna dip. It feels kind of satisfying. Mommy, do you want to touch it? Does it feel satisfying? Does it feel gross? Does not feel very good, but I think it feels. My mother says it feels gross, but I think it feels satisfying. So this is and I used this unicorn soap. Got me. It's actually bathroom soap that I wash your hands with, but I bet this soap will do pretty good. Cause look at it so far. Does look good, and now it's time for the box dip. The box in here again, and then dip the box in. Gotta dip it all the way. Oh, whoop. Well, it's kind of spilled a little bit, but that's okay, right? Because it's just soap and water and paper towel. Yeah, not paper towel, toilet paper. So it should be easy to clean. This should be easy to clean, right? Oop, it got on my shorts, but that's okay, right? It's easy to clean. I'm gonna wash my hands after this because I'm getting toilet paper all over my hands. Do you want to see my hands? Look at there. Look. How does it look so far? Mine, how do you think it looks so far?
Looks good. Very interesting.
Once the water dries, the toilet paper will dry, and it will make amazing. Now it's time to carefully put it in this bowl. Carefully pour. I think I spilled some. Did I, Mommy? That's okay. Want to see my hands? Ew. It smells good. This is a mess. Ask the adults to help you with this. I need a lot of water. This should be enough. This is art, not a mess. This solution might be good at blowing bubbles, I really wish I was wearing gloves, because it got in my fingernails. It's just water and toilet paper and soap. Can't do anything to me. This is the science spirit. Don't eat this. people. And once they dry, I'm going to color them and then dip them. Color them and then dip them. And here, so what do you think will happen when it dries? Gotta keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keep on mixing. I have no idea what happened if this dries. But after this, we're gonna dab this. All of this toilet paper probably absorbed, right? Okay, now some. And then this, once we dump this, what do you think the ball's gonna look like? Who knew? Who knew soap and water and toilet paper could make this? Isn't it awesome? It's all blue. I just used this box. Probably any box will work. If you have this box, try it. But if you don't, use a bowl. Probably could use bowls too. Thank you for watching. Bye.